Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Thanks for coming back again for another daily update on the charts for Polygon here. Please do like and subscribe and join the Discord below as well. And with that being said, we are taking a quick look here at the Polygon chart. You can see obviously been working the Fibonacci levels for a very good while here. You can see quite clearly back here we have got the bear market resistance that we have formed here that is getting close to being tested again, sitting currently at around $1, coinciding with all these other lovely resistances. That 0.50 Fibonacci level sitting around $1 as well, and also beyond that we've got that very nice big coil that we've been seeing. These lines are obviously only rough, but you can get an idea of what's been going on, just basically testing the highs and the lows and slowly coiling up into these levels here, but working the Fibonacci levels ever since we came down and made that swing low at around 30 cents. You can see obviously bounced up into these levels, and then since then we've just been working the fib levels like a beast. And I think beyond this we will continue to see more movement in this regard for Polygon going forward. You can see obviously once we came down to that 50-cent level, retested it pretty much perfectly. Big psychological support coinciding with this area here as well. That local area of resistance that we've seen basically for the whole of the year finally did get broken fully for Polygon. The bounce up, the back test of the swing low here, and then obviously we came up, started working our way through these levels of resistance in this local area, breaking through these key levels of structure. We run all the way up, smashed all the way through that 75-cent level 0.38 Fibonacci, and then all the way up to around $1. Come down again and back test, and now looking like it wants to come back up and retest again that high. A very nice bullish uptrend right now, and Bitcoin sitting at around 42k is making things seem pretty bullish overall for Polygon as well. And right now I'm thinking that things are probably going to do very well going forward for Polygon. There's not that much to say apart from the fact that it is looking quite bullish with this huge bounce off this low, a little 2x, and now currently sitting and waiting for the next move in the market. Obviously if Bitcoin rolls over and heads back down, Polygon will probably move down as well in line with it, but right now I think Polygon really wants to be heading up towards that 90 to $1 area, 90 cent to $1 area I should say, sorry. And then obviously beyond that, if we break through the bear market resistance, we can start making our way through our Fibonacci levels. So that is it for today guys, just a tiny little update for Polygon. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and with all that being said, I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.